You say you want to be strong, but strength, in the Stoic sense, is not about how much you lift. It's about how much you can carry inside without letting it break you. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it, and this you have the power to revoke at any moment." So if you feel weak, it's not because the world is too heavy. It's because you have not yet learned to master your mind. You react to everything. You let people disturb your peace with a single word. You chase approval. You avoid discomfort. Epictetus said, "It's not things that upset us, but our judgments about things." You are still weak because you hand over your judgment to the world, and you call it normal. You haven't trained your mind. You've trained your impulses. You feed what's easy. You run from what's hard. A Stoic does the opposite. He trains his perception, controls his desire, and accepts what he cannot change. Not because it feels good, but because it's right. When Marcus wrote his Meditations, he wasn't writing for the world. He was writing for himself, to remind his soul of what it must do when the world grows dark. And now you must write your own meditation, but not with words, with actions. A Stoic doesn't ask, "When will life get easier?" He asks, "How can I become stronger?" You are still weak because you ask the wrong question. You look for escape instead of endurance. You crave praise instead of purpose. Seneca said, "No man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity, for he is not permitted to prove himself." If you've never been tested, you've never really grown. Pain is the price of clarity. Suffering is the tax of strength. You are still weak because you let your emotions rule you instead of sitting with them and asking, "Is this useful?" A Stoic never denies emotion. He observes it, he questions it, and then he chooses his response. That's strength. That's freedom. That's Stoicism. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. The time to act is now, not tomorrow, not when you're ready. Now. Because staying weak is a choice. That's 2 minutes of Stoicism for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Stoics Every Day.